Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use GTMetrix to check your website performance. And why I like GTMetrix is because it allows you to actually know what exactly you need to do to improve that website in case your website is giving like an F or E as a performance result. So for you to do that, for you to check, all you have to do is create an account on GTMetrix, or you can actually do it without having an account, but I like creating an account so I can see all the full details I need. If you don't have an account, just go to get started from here and create your account. But for me, I already have an account, so I'm just going to click on login. I'll just log into my account. So I have a website I already worked on, and I'm going to be using that website for this tutorial. So I'm going to click on this one, which is one of my friend's website that I just finished working on recently, and I'm going to analyze this. So just wait until GTMetrix finish analyzing your URL and you get the results. So as you can see right now, the result I got from this website is not good enough. So because of this, what I would do is I would go to my performance and actually look at all of those things I need to do. And you can also place your cursor on this to help you understand what each of this means. And if you scroll down, you can see more details about what you need to work on. The summary gives you a total breakdown of whatever is the problem. So you have your top issues here, and you can scroll down and see where exactly you need to focus on. So this is very easy to use. You can see my load time fully loaded at 4.3 seconds, which I would prefer it loads faster. So I'm going to work on this website, and after I've done that, I would check again and give you guys updates in the comment section what the new. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.